Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of the clutter taking over your home and ready to turn things around, you'll love today's video. I've compiled a list of must-have organizers that will declutter your space and make it look and feel much more organized and functional. So let's jump right in and get your home beautifully organized. First up is the brov plastic storage bin. With a spacious 30-gallon capacity, the bins are perfect for stashing everything from clothing to blankets. Crafted from high-impact polypropylene, they're odorless and transparent, so you can see your items inside. The unique dual-access design offers both a top lid and front double doors for easy access. Thanks to stackable grooves and removable wheels, you can arrange and move them effortlessly. Next, we have the Lifewit 2-tier pull-out sink organizer. Featuring a unique L-shaped design, it allows for efficient use of space around plumbing and garbage disposals. With 5 adjustable height levels, this organizer adapts to cabinets of various sizes. It's made from thickened steel for enhanced durability and stability, supporting heavier loads without deformation. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, it ensures easy access to stored items with smoothly sliding baskets. Next, we have the Zero Zoo stackable kitchen storage drawers. They feature a smooth sliding rail for convenient opening and closing, making them perfect for organizing pantry items, cosmetics, and office supplies. Made of BPA-free PET material, these drawers are transparent, so you can easily locate items without pulling them out. With easy installation and built-in handles, these drawers are portable and versatile enough to fit into your kitchen, bathroom, or any room in need of organization. Next, we have the Tribe Signs Flip Drawer Shoe Cabinet to hold up to 24 pairs of shoes in its 3 flip-out drawers. The adjustable partition in each drawer accommodates different shoe sizes, while the narrow footprint makes it ideal for small spaces. Crafted from high-quality particle board with a sturdy metal base, this cabinet is built to last. With its sleek freestanding design, it blends seamlessly into any entryway, bedroom, or hallway, offering both function and style. The 5th organizer we have is the Oh So Kitsch Bamboo Spice Rack Organizer. Made from sturdy, sustainable wood, it provides ample space for storing your spices. Its foldable design allows for easy storage in cabinets or on countertops. Beyond the kitchen, this rack can also be used in the bathroom or office for organizing small items. It comes with a wooden spoon for convenient scooping, making it a practical and stylish addition to your home. Next, we have the Kit Hero Bedsheet Organizers. These cube-shaped boxes are made from waterproof, breathable fabric, protecting your sheets from dust and moisture. With reinforced leather handles and a dual zipper design, these organizers are easy to access and transport. A transparent window allows you to see the contents inside, while the included labels help with quick identification. These organizers can store more than just sheets, making them versatile for use in drawers, closets, and under beds. Next, we have the Utensil Bamboo Kitchen Knife Organizer. What I love about this organizer is its thoughtful design. It's made to fit inside drawers that are larger than 16.7 inches deep and can hold up to 16 knives of different sizes, plus a knife sharpener. The angled handle support means you can easily grab a knife without your fingers getting stuck. Plus, even if you accidentally slam the drawer shut, the knives won't fly out of the back and hit the drawer walls. Next, we have the Bathola Laundry Basket Organizer. This laundry hamper is incredibly versatile, with 5 removable sorting tags and 3 built-in laundry bags for separating clothes by color, fabric type, or washing needs. It's easy to assemble, foldable when not in use, and designed for easy transport with its sturdy bamboo handles. The laundry basket itself is made from high-density fabric, so it's lightweight yet sturdy, holding up to 40 pounds of clothes. Next, we have the Wissus Bamboo Desk Organizer. This beautiful organizer, made from sustainable bamboo, is designed with multiple compartments to store all your office essentials, like pens, sticky notes, scissors, and more. It even works as a versatile holder for cosmetics and toiletries. It's compact, durable, and fits perfectly on any desk, dresser, or bathroom counter, helping reduce clutter and keep everything easily accessible. The smooth varnish gives it an elegant look that will fit into any home decor. At number 10, we have the Store Miracle Organizer for keeping your undergarments, socks, and accessories neatly arranged. Made from non-woven fabric with cardboard inserts for stability, this organizer has 4 sturdy cardboard inserts along the side walls. The innovative bottom zipper allows for convenient collapsing. Simply unzip it to use it immediately and fold it away neatly in your drawer or closet when not in use. Next, we have the circu over-the-door pantry organizer rack. This 9-tier pantry organizer helps you maximize your storage space with adjustable baskets. Made of sturdy, powder-coated metal, this organizer is rust-proof and designed to hold heavy items. It includes various sized baskets with hooks for versatile storage options. The anti-shaking adhesive and screw discs ensure a stable and reliable fit on your door. Next, we have the Morov closet organizers. This organizer is the perfect solution for neatly storing tank tops and bras, saving valuable closet space. Made from premium European beechwood, it offers durability and a smooth finish. With a 360-degree swivel hook and a 6-tier design, this hanger makes loading and accessing your clothes effortless. Its compact design helps you keep bras, tank tops, or workout clothes wrinkle-free and easily accessible, eliminating the need for cluttered drawers. Next, we have the fernum bedside organizer with LED light. It comes with an RGB LED light strip that syncs to music and changes colors to match your mood. But that's not all. It also features a built-in charging station with 2 AC outlets and USB ports. The 4 spacious drawers provide plenty of storage, while the 2-layer wooden shelf allows you to display books or personal items. It's easy to assemble and super sturdy, making it a stylish and functional addition to any bedroom. Next, we have the punimi underbed organizer for keeping things like shoes, clothes, and blankets out of sight, but still easily accessible. With a lid that slides off in 3 sections for easy access, these storage bins are ideal for storing seasonal items, holiday decorations, and everyday essentials. Additionally, they come with transparent label pockets and blank cards for convenient marking. The collapsible, lightweight design allows you to either use them as instant underbed drawers or fold them flat for compact storage. At number 15, we have the yearning home containers for moving dishes and dinnerware. Their hard shell interior ensures that plates, dishes, glasses, and mugs are safeguarded from impacts during moving, while the hard shell top allows the containers to be stacked, saving space in your kitchen. Additionally, the set comes with 11 felt plate dividers to provide extra protection between dishes. Made from top-tier, odorless, 3-ply composite linen, the containers feature a quilted interior with felt dividers to prevent plates from knocking against each other. Next, we have the Honey Sky stackable storage containers. They feature a collapsible design that allows for easy assembly and storage. Plus, they come with wheels for effortless mobility. Made from durable PP material, these bins are odorless, strong, and perfect for long-term use. The built-in magnetic clasp ensures secure closure, while the stackable design helps save space, making them ideal for kitchens, closets, bathrooms, and more. Next, we have the Okivi Pido grocery bag holder and trash bag dispenser. This multifunctional organizer is perfect for tidying up plastic bags and trash bag rolls. Its 2 compartments allow you to store grocery bags and trash bags separately, while the magnetic suction closure ensures security. Crafted from durable natural materials, it offers easy installation and a sleek look to blend with any home decor. The wall-mounted design saves counter space, making it ideal for kitchens, laundry rooms, or bathrooms. Next, we have the Clean Clue bamboo pots and pans organizer. Whether you're storing frying pans, skillets, or even lids, this product keeps everything upright and easy to access. This organizer is designed with expandable dividers that can be adjusted to fit any drawer or cabinet size, ranging from 13.7 to 25.6 inches. You can even store pots with knobbed lids upright for easier access. Plus, the sleek bamboo design adds a beautiful natural touch to your kitchen. Next, we have the atronic fireproof document organizer box with lock. This box offers double-layered protection against both fire and water, withstanding temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside, there are mesh bags, card slots, USB pockets, outer pockets, and plenty of room for both letter and legal-sized documents. The combination lock adds an extra layer of security, while the reflective strip on the side ensures you can locate the box in case of emergencies, even at night. The 20th item we have is DMJ Drawer Organizers. This 12-piece set is the perfect solution for organizing clothes, accessories, and other small items. Made from breathable, non-woven fabric, these organizers come in different sizes to accommodate everything from socks to t-shirts. With double-stitched bottoms, these organizers offer durability and a simple way to keep your drawers tidy. The foldable design makes them easy to store when not in use, while their neutral color blends into any wardrobe or closet. Next, we have the ANING Pullout Cabinet Organizer. This pull-out drawer features an adjustable design, allowing it to expand from 12 inches to 21 inches in width, while measuring 21 inches deep and 3 inches high. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust the organizer to fit different kitchen cabinet bases. There are 2 installation options to choose from. 1. Use the included strong adhesive tape for a quick and easy installation. Or 2. Secure the organizer with screws for a more permanent and stable solution. Next, we have the City Life Lego and Craft Organizer. With 5 partition trays and a 17-quart capacity, it provides ample space for sorting Legos, art materials, or small toys. The removable trays make it easy to organize various sized items, while the transparent design allows you to see the contents at a glance. The base plate on top is compatible with building bricks, encouraging creativity while keeping things tidy. Ideal for craft rooms, kids' rooms, or play areas. Next, we have the Lifewit Utensil Organizer. This expandable organizer fits drawers between 13 to 22.4 inches wide, and what's great is that it has 5 compartments when fully expanded. This is perfect for storing everything from knives, spoons, and forks to larger tools like tongs or whisks. The grooved design makes it super easy to grab whatever utensil you need, and it's a breeze to clean. It's sleek, sturdy, and scratch-resistant, making it a fantastic addition to keep your drawers looking neat and organized. Next, we have the Photo-Soak Toy Storage Organizer. It features multiple open storage cubes for books or toys, as well as 3 deep drawers with wheels to store games, puzzles, or anything else. Its versatile design makes it perfect for small rooms, playrooms, or living rooms. The rounded corners and anti-tip anchors also ensure your little ones stay safe, while the wheels on the drawers make it easy for kids to access their favorite toys or books. At number 25, we have the Store Your Board Home and Garage Tool Organizer. This rack holds up to 300 pounds of equipment with independent storage attachments for shovels, rakes, hoses, extension cords, and more. The best part is the adjustable wall track with 45 mounting points, so you can easily customize the setup to fit your specific tools. Installation is easy, and the locking pins ensure the storage attachments stay securely in place. And there you have it, some of the best organizers to help streamline your home and make everyday life a little easier. If you found something you love, check out the links in the description to shop these items. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.